Hi there, I'm Bob Burridge, and I'm teaching not one, but two beautiful workshops at the Dillmans, and I can't wait. The first one is abstract, non-objective, mixed media. Can you believe it? That room's gonna be fantastic. 4 days. And then after that will be 2 days of abstract florals and abstract landscapes. It's just going to be fantastic. The best thing about that is we stay in one place, we make it all up, we have plenty of time to paint 24 hours a day. Can you imagine that? You're on your own, or sometimes I even show up at nighttime too. It's fantastic. I get a lot of painting done, and you're going to get a lot of painting done too. So not a lot of speeches, plenty of demos, and plenty of paint time. I can't wait to see you at the Dillmans.